Hey it girls, hey it gals. Hey it girls, hey it gals, your girl it's Dahji, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can get rid of this hyperpigmentation, this leftover acne scars with the turmeric mask. First, you're going to need you a bowl and a little brush. I use the old makeup brush. Your turmeric, I got this from a Mexican grocery store, and some Manuka honey I order on Amazon. All these things will be linked at the bottom in the description. Then you'll need to wet your brush, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of the Manuka honey, and then you want to mix that together. You might need to add just a little bit more water, just to make sure you guys get this nice, beautiful texture right here. Just like a paste. You want it exactly like this. Turmeric and Manuka honey together are both antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory. So that's going to fight those acne-causing bacteria. Together, they are lightening hyperpigmentation, help fading those acne scars or any other discoloration. Also, if you're finding your skin to be dull, turmeric definitely helps bring that brightness back to the skin, and Manuka honey also promotes moisture and really draws that in and retains the moisture to the skin, which are all key factors to maintain the skin looking smooth, poreless, just absolutely clear and glowing. Together, also Manuka honey and turmeric definitely protects the skin from the environment, also protects it from premature aging, and even helping with psoriasis and eczema. Also, these ingredients can be used to help decrease pain. So if you're ever burned or if you have an open wound or anything like that, these can also help decrease that. All right, that was just a few fun facts about turmeric and Manuka honey. I will go ahead and link down below where I got some of that information from so you guys can do your own research. So we're gonna go ahead and wash this turmeric mask off in the shower, leave it on for about 20 minutes. Now we are back. I had cleansed my face with my African black soap. And what we're gonna do to add back some moisture is use DAHJICosmetics Day Butter. I absolutely love my Day Butter. It's a shea butter based formula. You only need a pea size and it goes a long way. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and rub that into our palms and make sure we get that all over our face. Make sure it's completely rubbed in. But while I have you guys here, I want to thank you guys so much for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. I am so excited to be really joining the YouTube family this year. So you guys are definitely gonna be seeing more of my face and getting some more skin tips, hair tips, everything. You guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. My next video that's going to be coming out is going to be a trip with me to the hair salon, a day in my life. So you guys do not want to miss it. Make sure you guys please hit that subscribe button. Until later, bye my it girls, bye my it gals. Love you. Peace.